welcome back to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fashions, beauty and lifestyle, then you are in the right place. I make a video once a week related with fashions, beauty or any kind of lifestyle. So let's get into the video. Today's video, I'm very excited and I can't wait to share with you what I got. And it was really unexpected. April is a very important month for me because of my wedding anniversary and my birthday. So I know this is May because I'll tell you the story a little bit later. But for my wedding anniversary, my husband surprised me with a beautiful gift, and I did not even expect that he gonna give me anything. But I was really surprised, and he was very sweet and kind and thoughtful. So I can't wait to share with you what I got. Ready, guys? I'm so excited. See, I got a Cartier. This is my first Cartier jewelry and I'm so happy and excited to receive this gift. Actually, you know what, I told you guys that me and my husband, like, we don't just bring and we don't surprise. I went with him, but I did not knew that we're gonna go to the Cartier. You know how much I love Dior. I thought that he's gonna take me just to the Dior store and buy me something, but he said let's go to the Cartier and let's see what they have. So we went to the Cartier store. I was asking my husband, are you really buying something for me or we're just looking? And he goes like, no, I'm gonna buy you something. So yeah, and I purchased something and I'm gonna do unboxing with you guys. I haven't opened it yet. See, I'm so patient. Like, I got this in April and I'm still inside my box. So I am so excited to share with you guys. So there's of course there's a red bag, and here is the little envelope. It says Cartier. It's so bright here. Anyways, it says Cartier certificate. So here is a certificate for my jewelry, and it just come like this, very formal and looks really nice. So here is the certificate, and of course this is a receipt, and it's inside this box. Look at how beautiful Diana packed this box. Looks so pretty. So I can't wait to open this one. So let's open it. This, I love everything like a beautiful package. Like, I just don't want to even open when it is so beautiful. And I told you guys that I try to invest on like real jewelry because I feel like that when you buy like the jewelry that is not real, like, you know, it's a waste of money. Instead of buying you like 100 pieces of like a artificial jewelry, you can buy one piece and you can have that forever, or you can pass it down in future. It's good to have in a collection. So it comes in this box. This is the box here, and you just press this one right there, and here is my beautiful ring. I'm so excited and happy for this ring. This is a nail ring. I don't know how to say in this French pronunciation, but anyways, this is the ring. And I picked, of course, this is gold. I love everything gold, but unfortunately my wedding ring is not gold. So it's a white gold, and see, I have a gold bangles and I have lots of gold jewelry, and since I'm from Nepal, like, and I'm so used to wear gold jewelry, so I picked this one for my middle finger. And I picked the small size because the bigger one was like, really, I feel like it looks so big for my fingers, so I picked the definitely small size, and it looks very shiny and very good quality and very unique design. It is just so beautiful. Look at this. How pretty is this? Oh, this ring is absolutely beautiful and very unique design. I love the love ring also, but I prefer this one. So when he asked me to choose whatever I want, I chose this one. And so this is my wedding anniversary gift. I'm so thankful and grateful that my husband gave it to me, this ring, and this is just beautiful, and I love this added to my collection. Now I have a list of jewelry that I want from the Cartier, I told my husband, now on you can just surprise me, you don't have to bring me in the store. Diana is there, so you can just surprise me with like, and I picked all this jewelry that what I want, so Brandon knows that what I like, and I just love the jewelry. It just feels very good quality and very nice. I'm so happy that this jewelry added to my collection. So let's move on to my second gift. This is my anniversary gift, and the other one is my birthday gift. So are you guys ready? I guess some of you are already guessing that what I got, because if you have been watching my video since day one, then you know that what designer things I love. Here is my birthday gift. Of course, my favorite Dior. Here is the box. The reason I did my unboxing in May because of these shoes. I'll show you which one I got. So here's the box, and this is my new shoes added to my collection. It comes with this little card, and of course with these two dust bags. I love those dust bags. When I travel, it's so easy, like, you know, you just put inside and it doesn't get dirty or anything. So yesterday my husband went to pick up the shoes, and of course my favorite SS, Megan or Monica, was not there. So the guy who gave it to the shoes, they didn't even wrap it nicely. So anyways, you know how I like the beautiful wrapping things. So if you live in Dallas area and if you want to buy something from Dior, then make sure to ask for Megan or Monica. They are the sweetest. So I picked this one, this beauty. I love this shoes. I love this Dior white, and I don't have that many nude shoes, so I decided to go with nude. And I have so many black shoes, so I said, like, you know what, I need some nude in my collection. So this is my nude, and I wonder what is this yellow thing here. Something yellow here. I wonder what was that. So this was a little bit bigger, so Megan sent this to this guy so he can fix the wire. That's the reason it took a long time, and I was just waiting for these shoes to come so I can do unboxing for my anniversary and my birthday gift. So this is my birthday gift, and this one is size 6, and this is very pretty. I like the pointy toe because when you wear these shoes, this looks so beautiful. You can wear it with jeans or skirt or any dress pants. It's just so beautiful. And I want this kitten heel because I want to use this more often and just not want it to keep in my closet. So I'm kind of thinking like that now on I should buy more, like, you know, smaller heel, because I can't wear big heel and walk around. I can just go for dinner for a little bit, that's it. So yeah, this is my new Dior sling bag, and this is just so beautiful. Look at this, it's very pretty. I like this. I'm just wondering about this yellow things. I should maybe text to Megan or what, I don't know. And anyways, this is size 36. Yep, this is added to my collection now, and I can't wait to wear these things. I already start wearing my ring, but I can't wait to wear these shoes. And when I tried this in a store, this was really comfortable too. So when I walk around, I just want to be comfortable, not like, you know, complaining all the time, like my legs hurting, let's go to sit down, I cannot walk or something. So I want something that very comfortable but still looks beautiful. And I thought this is the perfect shoes to add to my collections. And I like this nude white and black and Dior. Like, this is just so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited for this, and I just want to say thank you to my husband. He's always so sweet and kind. That's my new items that added to my collections, and I'm super excited and super grateful also. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I will see you guys in my next week video. If you like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up and be the part of my family by subscribing. If you have not subscribed, then I would love you to hit that red button down below, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Sabina K Stone. If you like this video, then you can share my video with your friends or family or your loved one. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys, and have a wonderful day.